Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review video featuring the dome glass screen protector from WhiteStone for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. First things first, you'll want to lay out all of the supplied materials, keeping them close to hand and ready for use, as there are quite a few steps in this process when compared with other screen protectors. Once you've got everything out of the box and ready to go, you'll then want to ensure that your work surface is perfectly flat and sufficient for installation, as even a slight incline can cause the adhesive liquid to slide off the phone completely during the installation process. My top tip to take care of this is to use the adhesive bottle and see if it rolls. If it stays flat, then you're good to go, but if it does roll, then you'll want to find a level surface before you begin. With a flat surface sorted, you'll now need to grab one of the provided alcohol wipes and thoroughly clean the entirety of your Note 9's display, paying close attention to the edges so as to ensure a perfect base for the protector to be applied to. After using the alcohol wipe, you'll then need to use the microfiber cloth to clean and dry the screen, before finally using the dust removal stickers like so. This will remove any final dust or lint that can be very annoying if not removed at this stage. Now that your screen has been thoroughly prepared, you'll now want to carefully place your phone into the provided installation tray. Make sure to place the top of your Note 9 at the top of the tray marked speaker. With that done, you can now place the ear speaker cover at the top section of your phone like so. This will ensure that no adhesive makes contact with this part of the phone. WhiteStone also provides you with two absorption pads to place either side of your phone. These pads help mop up the adhesive gel once it spills out from underneath the applied protector. Unfortunately, the current batch don't actually fit, and if you want to use them, which I would advise, you'll need to cut one in half and place it either side like so. Now you'll be free to take the top section of the tray and put it into place, matching up the speaker text as previously seen. At this point, I would advise giving the screen a final check with the wipe, microfiber cloth and dust removal stickers so that you can be assured of a well prepared screen that's ready for the protector to be applied. The next step required is to insert the plastic pin into the gap like so, before then positioning the bridge into the area shown at the top section of the tray. Now take one of the adhesive bottles and remove the first cap. Make sure to remove the right cap first, as the second cap controls the liquid's release. You'll know which to remove first, as it's the different coloured cap which is also slightly larger, as can be seen here. When the cap is removed, you'll then be free to screw the bottle into the bridge like so. Don't worry about any spillage at this point, as no liquid can be released until you remove the second cap, which should be done once the bottle is screwed into place. By removing the second and smaller cap, the adhesive will then be free to run onto your phone. You'll want to leave this to happen for around 30 to 40 seconds so as to make sure that all of the liquid is out and on the phone. With the adhesive liquid positioned nicely in the top third of your Note 9's display, you'll then be ready to carefully remove the plastic bridge with the adhesive bottle still attached. This will leave you free to remove the protective film from the protector itself by using the blue tab like so. Now you'll want to take the protector and drop it into place, starting with the bottom first, while the top section is then lowered onto the guiding pin we placed in earlier so as to ensure alignment without touching the adhesive bubble. Once happy, you'll then want to press on the bottom of the tray to slide the adhesive bubble into the centre of your Note 9's display. When it reaches this point, you'll then want to remove the plastic pin and stop pressing on the bottom of the tray. This action will cause the protector to fall into place and allow the adhesive to spread throughout the entirety of your screen. You'll need to allow around 80 seconds for the adhesive to spread correctly, but you'll most likely be able to see when it's fully spread anyway. Now simply remove the top section of the installation tray like so, before then curing the top part of the protector for around 15 seconds with the UV light. Once complete, move the UV light down to the bottom section of the screen protector for another 15 seconds. After this time, you'll then need to remove the Galaxy Note 9 from the installation tray, give it a quick wipe down and place it on a flat open surface, ready for the UV light to cure the top and bottom once more. Now take the UV light and cure the top and bottom sections of the Note 9 for a further 60 seconds in this state. This will then complete the installation process, allowing you to enjoy your Note 9 with the peace of mind that its screen is well protected. As with all WhiteStone screen protectors, you'll instantly notice a superb fit, look and feel with no horrid glue marks that can often be the case with other screen protectors. You'll also notice the fully clear appearance, which looks incredible on. Many other screen protectors use a black lining around the top, bottom and sometimes sides to hide the glue, whereas the dome glass from WhiteStone doesn't need to, thanks to the high-tech installation process. With the screen protector applied, your Note 9 stays just as responsive as it was before, meaning that you can use your phone as you would normally, including typing long text and drawing with the S Pen. It's also supremely clear, with just as much clarity as before, which makes watching videos and playing games a truly enjoyable experience. The protector is compatible with the majority of cases, but not all, so please do ask in the comments below if you would like to know its compatibility with a particular case. Overall, the protector may seem like a daunting proposition to install, but I genuinely found it extremely easy. By following the instructions that I've provided, you'll be guaranteed of a well applied screen protector that's easily the best available on the market today. Yes, it is a little expensive when compared with other screen protectors, but the unique installation method really does guarantee a quality that no one can compete with. I hope that you've enjoyed this installation and review video. If you have any questions at all, then please ask in the comments below, and if you would like to purchase this protector, then I'll be leaving links in the description and the comments below.